Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share empties and mini reviews. Start with the children's items. I have a Colgate Water Burst toothpaste. Connor loves this toothpaste. It is his favorite toothpaste. This is the only toothpaste he wants to use, and we have repurchased this so many times. He loves this one. It's already been repurchased. And we have a Suave Kids. This is the Shimmer and Shine little picture here, but that doesn't matter. This is a 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash and strawberry magic. This actually smelled really good. I love that it's in a pump bottle. It's 28 fluid ounces, and he only uses this for his body. A large Mr. Bubble bubble bath. It's 36 fluid ounces, and this is just your typical bubble bath. It's the extra gentle one, and it's dye and fragrance free. What child doesn't love bubble bath at any age? Mr. Bubble is always a repeat purchase as well. This has already been repurchased in a regular Mr. Bubble style pink bottle. And the Suave Kids body washes are always a repeat purchase too. Really like these, whether it's the SpongeBob one, whether it's this one, whether it's the Pure and Clean one. It doesn't matter. I like these for Connor to bath with. Studio Selections Jumbo Cotton Balls. This is 100 count. I believe this is only $1 or $1.50 at Dollar General. Jumbo cotton balls can be split in half, and they make twice the cotton ball because they're so big. And I really like them, and I do purchase them from time to time. I use these for nail polish, makeup remover, witch hazel, toner. I mean, just things, everything. And then a Secret Powder Fresh deodorant. Use that up. This is my favorite deodorant, and they did not have this at the Dollar Tree the other day, and I took Suave deodorant, but in a really nice tropical scent, so I'm hoping it'll be just as good. Love this Secret deodorant. Highly recommend. I have some soft soap here, and this is the Under the Mistletoe. This is a limited edition pine scent from Christmas, but I bought a couple of these and still using on them. And the soft soap brand is really nice. This is, I want to say 7.5 ounces, but really nice. Always has a really nice scent, lingers on your hands. Some of you might not like that, but I do. It lathers really nicely, and it does what it's supposed to. Definitely repurchase the soft soaps. And this is a massive 33.8 fluid ounce hand sanitizer, and this is from Smart Care. I found this actually at my local flea market. I paid $1 for this. I've repurchased it. It's a good hand sanitizer. I use it to refill my bottles, basically the one in the kitchen and the one in the bathroom. And yeah, it's just a hand sanitizer, kills up to 99.99% of germs, and aloe vera, vitamin E, fast and effective. And I like it too because it really does not dry my hands out, because it has the aloe and it has the vitamin E in it. And I'll continue to repurchase this. Like I said, I already have. I think it's a great deal for $1. Used up a couple hand creams. The Fresh Cotton one, this is the My Beauty Spot, and these came from Walmart in a 5-pack manicure set thing for like $4.88. These are decent hand creams. They aren't as thick as I would like, so I like to use these ones on my feet. Yeah, I mean, I'll continue to purchase this set. I think it's a really good deal, but it's not my favorite formula for a hand cream. This is from the Dollar Tree, and it came in a 2-pack, and this is the Champagne Toast Scented Hand Cream. And this hand cream is a little bit thicker than the other hand cream, and overall I enjoyed this as a hand cream. It had a nice light scent, and I would definitely repurchase these 2 packs of hand creams from the Dollar Tree again and again, which I have. And last but certainly not least, from Ecology, I do have a couple items here. These were purchased together, and they were a gift from my husband. And this is the Ecology Fill-In Flannel Body Cream and the 2-in-1 Body Wash and Bubble Bath. The body wash is 16 fluid ounces, and the body cream was 8 fluid ounces. I did not use this for a bubble bath, but I love the Ecology body washes, because that's what I use it for. It's very thick and creamy. It lathers really nicely. The scent lingers on your skin. In my opinion, these are comparable to Bath and Body Works items. It's a really nice moisturizing body wash. I love it. Now, in regards to the Fill-In Flannel scent, it was a cozy kind of scent. Kind of had some pine in there. But I would have to say that it was a little weaker than most of the Ecology scents, being completely honest. I would repurchase it, but I know for a fact I'm going to repurchase Ecology products because they're amazing. And $4, you can't beat that. So the Ecology Fill-In Flannel Body Cream, it's a moisturizing cream with rich shea butter, or well, butter complex. Either way, really nice thick cream. Love how thick this cream is. I squeezed every last little bit I could get out of this bottle. I love their Ecology, their creams. They're really nice as well. Highly recommend trying both the body cream and the body washes. But if you already have a favorite body wash and maybe you're looking for a really thick, nice moisturizing cream, definitely try out their body cream because it's fantastic. And that is all the empties I have to share with you today. Hope you enjoyed the empties, the mini reviews, found them helpful, and maybe try some of the products out for yourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.